Good news po ang pag-usapan natin ngayon tungkol sa Tingog Party List. Panalo po ang taong bayan. Maganda talaga yung nag-iingay tayo at matatamaan din sila sa kaiingay. Post ni AB Hugalbot. Salamat kapatid AB. Ang galing niyang mag-research. Nabahag na ang buntot ng Tingog Party List. Umatras na. Basahin ko ha. Breaking, sabi niya. Tingog Party List has backed away from their MOA, Memorandum of Agreement, from their MOA with Development Bank of the Philippines and PhilHealth, establishing a very politically motivated program called Maalagang Republika. Sa acronym pa lang na MR. MR. Maalaga. Ang galing, no? Maalagang Republika. Martin Romualdez. Nag-aalaga ng sambayanang Pilipino. Okay. I-discuss natin yan mamaya. The power of social media to shape public opinion and sway our political leaders from policies deemed detrimental to the common good can no longer be underestimated. Agree ba kayo dito? Sa sinasabi ni Ibi Hugalbot. Very powerful po ang social media, itong pagtutulungan natin, pag-iingay. Hindi na nila ito maitsapwera. This is a win for all of us, but we must at all times remain vigilant. Kudos to Boss Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa for also speaking out against this MOA in his Senate privilege speech. Okay, so mamaya pasalamatan natin si Dr. Tony Liachon. Ito na nga yung statement ng Tingog Party List. Yan o. Hindi nyo makita. Okay. Statement. Tingog Party List. Yun ang heading yun. Statement. After careful deliberation. Masyadong maliliit ang letters. Oh. 65 na po ako. Kailang nakakabasa pa ako kahit walang reading glass. May sekreto ako dyan. I-share ko sa inyo later on. After careful deliberation and extensive discussions among our party executive officers, Tingog Party List has decided to step back from the rural hospital financing program to shield it from unwarranted political distractions. To clarify, the agreement merely reflects our shared commitment and establishes a framework for a future undertaking. However, to protect the program and our partner agencies from being drawn into baseless political dissipates, we are stepping aside. Our commitment to advancing affordable and accessible healthcare, maalala ko, provide healthcare siniro budget nga nila yung siniro subsidy nila yung PhilHealth. Ano ba naman? Hindi po kami pinanganak kahapon. Mga ng Tingog Party List. Ulitin ko ha. Our commitment. Committed daw sila to provide healthcare. Our commitment to advancing affordable and accessible healthcare for every Filipino remains unwavering. This decision does not mark the end of our advocacy, and we will continue to champion initiatives that deliver meaningful and lasting change to our communities. Yun lang po. Magbasa tayo ng mga comments. Ito, ang comment ni A.B. Hugalbot. Di kinaya ni Isidre at ng tingog party list. Okay. So, unang pasalamatan natin si Dr. Tony Liachon dahil siya ba ang whistleblower nito? I think so. Si Dr. Tony Liachon is an independent medical reform advocate. Panahon ng COVID-19, tumutulong din siya sa gobyerno noon para overcome tayo sa pandemic. So ngayon, tinutuloy niya ang kanyang initiative, advocacy para sa health. Kaya ito. Tapos, yun na nga, sinabayan pa ng privilege speech ni Senator Bato de la Rosa, kumalat sa social media, wala, atras sila. I don't know, mainstream media, hindi binabalita ito eh. Social media lang pinag-uusapan. So, ano ba itong nakakatawa oh? Tingog party list kay Speaker Martin Romualdez ito eh, sa wife niya eh. Anong ginawa nila sa PhilHealth? Subsidy. Ilang bilyon? 74 billion yung request ng executive branch, yung National Expenditure Program, 74 billion ang subsidy ng PhilHealth for next year. Pagdating sa House of Representatives, kinaltasan nila, ginawang 40 billion lang. Pagdating sa Senado, dinagdagan ng konti, kaltas pa rin, ginawang 50 billion. Okay na rin lang yun. Pagdating ng BICAM, siniro nila. Ay, grabing. Anong klaseng, siniro. And I believe, kasama si Congressman Isidre doon sa BICAM eh. Tapos, sasabihin dito na our commitment to advancing affordable and accessible healthcare for every Filipino remains unwavering. Naniniwala ba kayo mga kaibigan na talagang taus-puso itong tingog party list sa pag-provide ng healthcare sa mga mamamayang Pilipino? Or, according to Senator Bato de la Rosa, yung privilege speech niya ay may political agenda. Anong pakialam ng political party ito eh, party list eh? Anong pakialam niya doon sa ng mga financing, pagpatayo ng health facilities? Hindi tayo pinanganak kahapon. Huwag niyong insultuhin ang intelligence ng mga Pilipinos. Please naman. Konting again, salamat tayo dahil nag-back out na sila. Agree ako dito sa sinasabi ni A.B. Hugalbot. The power of social media to shape public opinion and sway our political leaders from policies deemed detrimental to the common good can no longer be underestimated. Panalo tayong lahat, mga mamamayang Pilipino, itong pag-back out ng tingog party list sa MOA nila with DBP and PhilHealth.